Hi guys, so I have done this quick 1 minute smoky look on my one eye just to show you that how I'm going to recreate this for you on the other eye. So let's just straight get started because when I start talking I just don't stop. So I'm just taking this eye pencil from Tarte in black color, and all I do is that I just extend a rough line on the outer end of my eye and then I fill it inwards like this. Don't worry, you don't have to make a very neat line or anything. It's just a rough outlining of how you would probably do an eyeliner, and just leave it in the half. And I really like this pencil because the other end of this pencil comes with a smudging brush, so I just stroke this line that I created to kind of smoke it out. And then I take some color from my favorite Tarte palette, and I'm taking some violet and brown and lighter violet. I'm just mixing these colors, taking another brush, dual-ended brush. One side is the flat base, one side is the smudger. So I take the smudger side and dip like randomly into these colors and just smoke this color out some more, following the eyeliner line that I created, and some more color. And then I just take a random blending brush and just blend this color out completely with some horizontal strokes. And then I'm taking this very beautiful gold kind of a color, gold silver mix. I mix these two colors with my finger and I'm just putting it in the front area of the eye, and it's pretty simple, isn't it? Taking a concealer brush, taking my favorite Shape Tape, and just cleaning the edges out for a more defined look. And there you have it, 1 minute smoky eye. And this is my everyday go-to look. I actually decided to do a hairstyle video today, that how I curl my hair at home, but when I was doing my eye makeup, I decided to do this quick look for you. Let me know how you like it, and it is only on your request that I make these small IGTV videos, and I love you guys. Stay tuned for more. Bye.